this is Archie from Crafting with Archie and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. Isn't it cute? Really simple. So let me show you how I did it. The stamp set we're going to be using is this one called Gift Wrapped. I'm going to be using these three larger bows and this little sentiment here. I'm going to be stamping my bows in Memento because I want to colour them in using my what do you call those things, my blends. So I'm just gonna, sorry if I'm making a noise, but my ink pad is quite dry, it needs to be re-inked, it really does, so I need to give it a good press down as it's really dry. I'll give it a, I'm stamping it in the Stamper Artist because that means I can stamp everything in one go. Yeah, that'll do fine. So close that ink pad up, bring in my simple chamois so we can give everything a clean up. Okay, and then I'm going to just take these off, and what I do sometimes, until I put things back in the case, I just plonk them on the top like that. And then I want to get my sentiment out that says a very Merry Christmas, and just going to try and straighten things up a bit here. Take this out. And then I've got a piece here of Whisper White, and this is just a titchy little piece. And we're just going to stamp our sentiment on here. All the measurements will be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that are in the description box below. So don't worry about the measurements right now. And then I'm going to stamp this in Mossy Meadow, because that's going to be that's the colour of the pattern paper. So just close up our ink pad like that, and then lift this, press down, and if all goes to plan, we should have a stamped sentiment. And we do. Lovely jubbly. So put that out the way, leave that aside to dry, and bring back our bows, and I'm going to colour those using the Stampin' blends and Real Red and Mossy Meadow. So I'm just going to, wrong way, zoom you in so you can see a bit better what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to colour these in, and I'll put you on fast forward, and then I'll catch you back at the end. Hello, so I'm back. I've coloured everything in. So now we're going to punch it out using the Gift Bow Builder punch. So we're just going to put our piece in here and try and get things lined up as straight as possible, so we have equal amounts of white around the outside. Okay, so that's one. So now we're just going to do the rest. Cut these apart. And we're going to just punch out. And then we're going to do the last one here. Okay, close up our punch, clear all of this mess away because bits are flown all over the place. Okay, set this all aside for now. Bring back our card base, and this is the Heartwarming Hugs Designer Series paper, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10, and I'm just sticking it down to a thick whisper white card base, which is a standard A6 card base. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half, and I'm just going to mat our sentiment on a piece of real red. As I said, all the measurements will be on the blog, so don't worry about them. Then we're going to try and arrange our gift bows, and I'm just going to stick them down with some Tombow. So there goes one. And then let's have this one here. Okay, something like that. And then you'll notice I managed to snip the end off this, so we're just going to cover that boo-boo up and have it coming, instead of on top of our sentiment, we can have it underneath our sentiment. So let's just start to stick. Just like that. And now we're going to stick our sentiment. And now you don't see that I made the boo-boo because that's hidden by the sentiment, and I think that looks okay. So finishing touches, we're going to use one of these red rhinestones. We're just going to put it here on the dot of the eye, and there we have it. We're done and dusted. So let me know what you think. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I hope you did like it. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about the card, as I said, supply list, link to my online shop, all that good stuff, it'll be on my website, and the link to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. This includes my new Facebook group. Do check it out, as I've just started now a monthly online virtual card club, and all the details for that will be in the group, so please do come and say hello to us all. We're a lovely crafty bunch. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!